What's going on, everybody? Scrapple Grandpa, what's next? Well, you never know what's next with me. And today we have a fellow friend from YouTube, Daniel.
Yeah,
here visiting.
Moxy Bashwell.
Moxy Bashwell. You're on YouTube like that, right?
Yeah, I got a few videos.
He has a couple videos. Moxy Bashwell. I've seen his videos, so you can go check him out there. Moxy.
Moxkybashwell.
Yes, and he lives in Wilmington, North Carolina, and he came to visit me today, and he wanted to pour one of his own bars. So I just did one, showed him basically how to do it. We got him dressed up now with all the proper tools. We don't have long sleeves. That's going to be the next thing that I buy. Will be welder sleeves. That's my next buy. But we're melting up some of his copper. He brought it with him. He wanted to melt his own copper and make a bar out of it. So that's what we're going to do today. All right, so his copper is just starting to get really hot, and it's actually starting to turn into dripping in there already. Some of that's number 2, you know, you put in there.
Yeah.
So we will have to get the slag out of that, I'm sure of it. Turn the camera on.
That's all right. Do another one if we have
to. You got it. It'll come out. There you go. I heard it. Now drop them in your water. One at a time, buddy. Be safe. Let's be safe. One at a time. You know what I mean? That thing doesn't hold that good. Beautiful. Oh yeah.
Coming in hot.
Come in hot, buddy. Look at that. Quenching. Forgot to get the pouring of it. Damn it. We'll do another one. Look at that.
I mean, yeah, we can refill that if you like.
You want to do one more? Do one more bar. I'm gonna get some copper from over here. No, never mind. I got it. We got plenty.
All right.
I got plenty. And we're cutting up some of my number 1 pipe. Fill the crucible, get it heated up, pour a bar. We'll throw it in that barrel right there. Quench it out.
Taking them in there.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. They're not the easiest gloves. That's gonna be nice. Oh yeah, you're good. Beautiful.
Then it was.
Yeah. Yeah. Awesome. Get our molds. He's gonna pour at least. I'm guessing he's got 2 pounds of copper in there for sure. So let's let that melt down for a bit. We'll go from there. This is his first 2 pours. He hasn't decided whether he wants to shine one up. We thought this one came out pretty cool with all that purpleness on it, which we're not sure where exactly that came from, except for maybe the water that's in there. But we also leveled out our mold a little bit so it'll come out a little flatter. We loaded it up. Oh, she's melting beautiful. Look in there. Look how pretty that is. Pretty. That's gonna be some pretty copper right there, bro.
Yeah.
Number 1 always is the best to burn, melt.
They're like bear bright.
That's even the best. More video from here. Yep. Now you know this is the careful part. Get your thing there. Yep. Lift it up around there nice and tight. Lift it up nice and easy. You got it, brother. You are the man. Look at all that copper in there. I can see it. Good Lord, look at that goodness. Pour them. And then we'll get them up a little higher. Get that higher. Listen.
Yep.
There you go. Like that. Do that. Thank you. Nice and easy. Pour them right as much as you want, you know. You got plenty for 2 bars. Oh, that's a beautiful bar. Look at that thing. It's already beautiful, shiny. You can pour it all. Pour it all right out. Beautiful. Look at that. That's nice. What? All right, put that thing back away. And we'll go from there. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Easy peasy, brother. Did a good job there, Daniel. You did good, brother. You did good.
Thank you very much.
That's beautiful.
Right.
Yeah, let them cool down with it. When the thing turns black, then we'll pour them. It pours out easier. What it does is shrinks, and the mold doesn't. You know what I'm saying? The graphite doesn't shrink. Oh yeah, it's coming out. Look at that beautiful thing. Both sides look pretty. Man, that's gonna be a beautiful bar. Man, look at that. Daniel, you did good, brother. You did good. Let's pour it in the, put it in the quencher. Don't let me get in your way. Boom. Uno. We poured some copper shot in there a little while ago. Cooking. I think it's that white stuff that's in the barrel, buddy. I think it's the white stuff in the barrel that made that pink on it. If these got it, then that's what it is.
Okay.
Because these were absolute beautiful orange.
I guess that paint, the paint.
Be the first copper bar poured from this. Yeah, the slag.
The aluminum.
Get the end of your spoon hot first. You're not doing that. You're just getting the spoon hot. Oh, that's gonna be a pretty bar. Quicker the better, because your hand's gonna get hot. That was good. There's a lot of copper. I mean aluminum in there. That's a big bar. It's gonna be good for that. Put that back on there. Almost ready. Get it over as close a little bit more so it gets really good and hot. You got this. Oh yeah. Yep. Make a nice one. Look at that goodness. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that nice shiny thing. What? That's beautiful. Oh, it still come out good. You didn't mess it up. I can see where it rolled up the side, but it rolled right back down. Ooh, about got your finger.
Almost, yeah.
Seen that. Woo! That wouldn't be feeling good. Moxy, Bashwell, YouTube. All right, let's shine it down. Put it in that thing. Let's put a shine on that bar.